Hello, this is the WeTech Galaxy. This is the 1911, and I got the silver on gold. Owner's manual, English, tells you your basics. Okay, this is green gas, by the way. Alright, first in the box you have two rails, smaller one for the bottom and longer one for the top, obviously. For the gun itself, wow, this thing is beautiful. Everything just goes well with it. Goes well. I don't know. Really good looking gun. Sights, it's got a fiber optic front sight, removable thread barrel, all silver, lower receiver. It's after a 1911, which the magazine is silver too, which is nice. I think it holds 16 rounds. It's gonna believe it's shooting like 320, 340 FPS. You pull the slide back, like, I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. It's strong. Nice trigger. So yeah, I'll make a shooting video on this soon and a full review.